You see, he's saying that he's going to spoil my visa.
Yeah? Hey.
Ati sasa aje. Ati sasa aje. Daddy. Ati sasa aje. Aje. Hata unaona haezi. Bigger here. Here my son. High five. High five baba. Unaona hawezi? Na venye unapenda kukula, umekula nini saa hizi? What have you eaten?
Chicken nugget.
A bush out. My fans need to hear. What have you eaten?
Chicken nugget.
Can you imagine when they cancel the visa for me? Daddy, you're hiding your face, eh? I know you don't laugh. Sorry. But you have a mask on. You put a mask because I will go live. Don't worry. You're just 11, you will be 18 and you will be all over like a YouTuber. You've eaten chicken nuggets? And you see how much?
Muthoni wa Kiruba ni ahithuritie ati kwi mundu urendaga gukanja visa yake na riu kahii gake karia getagwo Adrian ni karamakire na karaiguikaga kimuria ati aje sasa. Baby Top nake akenerera undu ucio muno akimwira gutingĩhotekeka tondu no nginya amwethere cia kuria na mabataro mangi. Adrian nake nionekana ndendete kamera tondu riria aiguire nyina ni araingira live no mask arekirire. No nyina akimwira no thaa ici agikinya miaka 18 agakorwo akigia andu guku nenda-ini. Na riu kwi aria magiukite comment section ta it's dada speed augite msome God protect you all maisha kwagira. Na Kejis Daisy augite nakupenda juhua hubai uoga nimeona Red Bull. Na Chairman augite ni kurugama na muciari.